In this video, I will be showing you how to use CHROMA key in Filmora9. So without much ado, let's get started. But please make sure you subscribe to this channel so as to get notified when another content is out. So in order to use CHROMA key, you must make sure that your footage is in either green or blue background. But the popular background that videographer and cinematographer editor normally use are green, so you must make sure that you have a footage with a green background. And if you're shooting yourself, you must make sure that you get the correct green background as your background. So now here is the green background, the footage with a green background. You can actually download free footages that are green on Pixabay and also on Pexel. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. You can download as many footages. They are free, they are non-copyrighted. So here is the background that I want to use. I want to change the background of this woman into something of a world, because actually she's kind of thinking and then she's kind of moody, and then I want the world to be reflecting at the back. So here you drag the desired background that you want to make use of, and then you drag it to the timeline, and then you try to fix it together. So it's not showing now because the one at the top will always display in virtually every video editor. So in order to use CHROMA key, in order to change the background, you have to click on the image or the video with a green background, and then you right click on it and then click on green screen. So once you click on green screen, you will see that it will have automatically changed the green background, and then you would have seen the new background at the beneath, though it will not be really clear. So it's you that will do some little editing. So the editing that you are going to do in order to make the background come out is by playing with offset, tolerance, edge thickness and edge feather. So let's play with the offset. If I take the offset to the back, no, it's not actually working. If I take it to the top, can you see it changes to black, and then you can see the background. So if we play, you will see in here that the background has been changed, and then it's very smooth. So that's how to use CHROMA key in Wondershare Filmora. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, and waiting for you in the next video.